Read code number 1123, lowest common ancestor of deepest leaf. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a rooted binary tree, return the lowest common ancestor LCA of each deepest leaf. Recall that the node of binary tree is a leaf if it only has no children. The depth of the root of the tree is 0, and if depth is of a node is d, the depth of each of its children is d plus 1. The lowest common ancestor was set as a node is node A, with the largest depth such that every node in S in the subtree with root A. Let's check with example 1. Root is 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is the depth 0 and then depth 1. So the deepest depth is 2 and 3. So common ancestor is 1. So return 1, and then when the return node 1, also their descendants also return together. Okay, second is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then which one is deepest? 4, 3? No, 3 is not deepest. Deepest in this case, deepest is 1 in 1. So return itself. The third is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, there are two deepest nodes. Depth is 2. So it is time the common ancestor is 1, 2. Yes, this is common lower. This is common higher or upper. So we need to return 2. How are we gonna do? How will I do this? Okay, let's draw this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today I gonna my approach is I will do bottom up approach. And then I will traverse tree with the recursion, and then when they visited the bottom, and then I will return each node and depth. So in this case, return depth 0, and then this one also return depth 0, and then I will compare left child and right child the depth. So if that is the same, I will return the parent. Otherwise, I return the deepest node. So in this case, this one is both is known and the same depth. So I will return itself, and then depth. This one is depth 0, and then I will increase depth 1 to compare others. This one is same. So this one return. This one is same depth, I return this one, and then depth is 1. So now we are here, this is parent, and then left child depth and right child depth is same. So now depth is 2, return itself. And then this case, this one non-zero, and then this one is depth 1. Which one is bigger? This one bigger, I will return this one. So now and then increase depth, so 3, node 2. So finally I will return node 2. Does this make sense? Okay. The improvement, I will make the recursion first. The name is helper, and then receive the node as argument. And then first, if node is none, that is the outside of leaf node, and then I will return node and 0. Actually, node is none, right? So okay. Okay, and then I will receive 2. Node is left node, and left depth is helper, password left, and then right node and right depth is helper node right. And then I will start compare. Left depth is same as right depth. In this case, I will return node and which depth I needed to return. Yeah, anything is okay because left is same as right depth, right? That's one. Otherwise, left depth is smaller than right depth. We needed to return the deepest, so biggest depth, so return right node with right depth and then increase 1. Notice that. As this in case the left depth is more bigger than right depth, and then return left depth and left depth plus 1. Finally, I will return helper node. It will return node and depth. Which one we need to return? Node. Node is 0. Okay, let me final check. Node, left node, left node, and left depth, helper. Okay, right node, and right depth, helper. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Okay, let's check the code. Oh, not node. Windows root, right? Okay, looks good. Submit. Okay, in this case, the time complexity. This is the bottom up approach, so it takes linear time with space is the same as the depth of a tree, and then but worst case it is skewed left side or right side. The depth is same of the number of nodes, so space complexity is linear space. Linear time is linear space. And then one more thing, I will simulation by hand. This one is better, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then okay, when I enter the function, I will execute this one, help and root, and then now it's node is root, and then this one is not known, so it will execute here, and then left to receive this one is call, and then now node left going here, node is node left, so going to here, node is not known, so this one also execute, and then going for same way, now it's going to here, this is known. Now node is known, return node and 0. So left node is known, and then left depth is 0. Right, this is 0. And then now I will do the right node, and then right node also none. So this one also return 0, and then this one return 0. So in this case, left depth is 0, right depth is 0. So return parent is this is node itself, and then depth is this one plus 1, because I need this time the depth is 1 increase, right? So now is 4. 4 is left side waiting, 4 and depth is 1, and then this one also same, and then 5 and depth is 1, and then now left node right node depth is same, yes, same. So in this case, I return node and then 1 plus 1, so 2.2. And then in this case, there are no children, so this one depth 0, and then this one is 1. And then in the view of the root, now we pop up the system stack, and then this is 2, 1. Which one is bigger? Left is bigger, so this one will execute. Return left node 2, and depth is now 0, 1, 2, this one 3. So this gate return the 2. There is a reason why this is 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. We return 2, and then 2 has left node is 4, right node is 5. Thank you.